chapter we will study about the new shapes. Okay, so let's start the chapter visualizing solid shapes. So in previous classes we have read about the circle, square, rectangle, etc. Right? These are shapes which are not solid, or we can say these are plain figures. Alright. So now we know that these we have read in previous classes. So let's start with new shapes. Okay. We have two types of shapes. First is plain figure, which we have read in previous classes: circle, square, rectangle, etc. Right? Why these are called plain figures? Because they are made in two planes. That means if I talk about a rectangle, it has length and it has breadth. Right? There are two planes. These figures are also known as two-dimension, or we can say 2D figures. Okay? So 2D figures are plain figures. Second type of figures are solid figures, or we can say solid shapes. These are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere. These are solid figures. What is the difference between plain figure and solid figure? This is the solid figure. It has length, it has breadth, but it also has height. It also contains height, right? Or we can say depth. Okay, so these are known as solid figures. Cuboid, just as base is the rectangle and has some depth, that is known as cuboid. Sphere is ball, ball is a sphere. Cone, your birthday cap is a cone. Okay, so these are solid figures. Now we know the difference between 2D and 3D. These solid figures are known as 3D, three-dimensional figures. Okay, so now we know that the difference between 2D and 3D. Right? So 3D figures, or we can say solid figures, have three things. What are these? Faces, edges and vertices. Okay, so what is face and edge and vertex? Vertex you have read in previous chapters in triangle, etc. Okay, so what are vertices? Vertices are the corners. Vertices are the corners of any figure. Okay, so this figure has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these are vertex. Okay, now edge. These 9 segments which join the shape, these are known as edges. Okay, these 9 segments are known as edges. So this figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 edges. Okay. Now face. So faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, these are the faces. Okay, now coming to the next topic of this chapter is next. What is next? Next is formed by unfolding a solid figure. So what is next? Next is the unfolding. Means if we open a cube or cuboid, a solid figure, into a plane figure, into a flat form, that representation is known as next. Okay, let's have a look. I have a cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid. I am going to open this. How? 1, 2. Now from this side, and this side. Right? So this represents neck. What it is? I have opened a cuboid. Okay. So first face. Okay, this is the back side. Base, top, left side, and this is this part. This is the back side. So I can write. Okay, 6 faces. Now what I have opened? First 4 open. After first face is here. This is 4. This is 1, and this is 3. Okay, 1, 4 and 3. Now the left side. Left side is 6 part. Left side 6, and the back part will come here. Left side 5, and back part is second part which will come here. This is the same representation I have shown you, right? So this was first part. If I show you by pencil, this is the first part. Okay, this one was 4, 3, 6, 5 and 2. Okay, net can be of different ways. Net can be represented by different ways. Like if I open this in different way, how can I open it in a different way? Suppose this 4th part I have taken to the left side. Okay, so my representation will be like this. Okay, so net or nets can be represented in different ways. So this was the introduction of the chapter Visualizing Solid Shapes. All the exercises are dependent on this concept. You can try your exercises by understanding this concept.